guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and I'm so glad you're here with us today for our last day of Peaks. So one more day until release day, July 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. Our box of the month will release. You can join the club by choosing monthly at checkout. So remember, there's a drop-down menu, click on monthly, and you'll get a 5% discount on your box, plus you'll get your box shipped to you every 30 days from the date you purchase. So all the details about the box will be listed in the description box on the listing, so make sure you read that. So here are all the cards that I made from the Peaks. You can go back and watch how I made each card and see everything that's in the box. So our last product today that I am revealing is a shaker mix from This Calls for Confetti. It's called Cup of Sunshine, and it's created exclusively for the Not Too Shabby shop. And it matches perfectly with the paper collections. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So we've got really pretty pink in there. We've got yellow. We've got gold little pearls. We have the blue color. We have these white vellum looking flowers. We have, oh, there's a lot of shades of color in here. Look at that. So different sizes. Look at these little glittery, small little pieces that are this like iridescent blue color. Just super beautiful. So what I'm going to do today is add some of that to some of my cards. So I always like adding little pieces of like sequins or glitter, enamel dots, just something to dress up the card. So you have to cut open your bag with scissors, and there is a little zipper, or there is a little closure, so you could close it back up. I'm just going to pour out a bunch here in my little tray. Doesn't that look so pretty? So you can make some nice shaker cards with those little beads. There's little chocolate pieces in here, like little hearts and little circles. So really, really fun. I love it. So I'm just going to get some liquid adhesive, and we are going to go to town here. So I'm just going to drop in some drops where I want my sequence. And I'm going to put that right on those rays. I think I'm going to do 6 on this card. Okay, let's get some color on there. So we can use the pink. How about some yellow? Let's do a cute little flower. I don't think I want to do the flower on this one. Let's do another sequence. I think the white round one. There we go. So super, super cute. And then I didn't dress up with sequins. I wanted to put sequins on these two here. So these were yesterday's cards. These are gift card holders. And I love how these turned out. So you can go back and watch how I made those. I think this one would look cute with a little chocolate heart. I'm going to have to put that on with my finger so it's not sticking to my tool. And then we've got one more down here that I want to add. Let's do the yellow color. Okay, just a little something on there. Oh, I just noticed there's some really little clear sea beads in there as well. That's so cute. You know what you can do is take one of these flowers and then add a little ball to the center. I think I'll do that on, let's see, did I have another card to embellish? That would have looked cute. Let's see. Let me try it on this card. Because I think that's just going to look adorable. So I'm going to put some glue. Put the little flower down. And then I'm going to add some glue to the center. And then I'm going to find one of the smaller balls here. And I'm going to drop that right in the center of that flower. Oh, that's cute. Let's see if you can see that. So just a little added touch to your cards. You can also make shaker cards with the mix. So on the first, we're doing a hop, so you're gonna get more inspiration from all the design team members that are in the hop. So there'll be a handful of us, and you can hop to each person for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. So that's always fun. So visit us tomorrow for release day, and thanks so much for watching the peaks. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I will see you real soon. Bye guys.